In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege matchmaking error on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about a bunch of possible fixes if you are encountering errors when trying to matchmake on the PlayStation 4 version of Rainbow Six Siege. Now, the first disclaimer that I want to make is that you will notice that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, everything that I say is going to apply for the PlayStation 4 version. I'm only recording on my PC for convenience. So, the first most obvious cause for this issue is because the servers of Rainbow Six are down for whatever reason, either maintenance or they are facing issues. The best way to check this is to go over to the Ubisoft website and look for Rainbow Six Siege service status. You can even look for this on Google. As you can see, it is going to update every minute, telling you if specific platforms are having issues. You will notice that for me, during the time that I'm recording this video, every single service on PlayStation 4 is operational: connectivity, authentication, store, and most importantly, matchmaking. If there is ever an issue with the servers, they are going to post announcements here, and you will have to wait until they fix the issues on their end. So like I said, this is the first thing that you should check, because if you notice that the servers are down and facing issues, there's nothing that you can do, so just wait. But if you notice that they should be operational and still you are getting issues, then proceed moving on to other options. The first thing that I would recommend is to simply restart your PlayStation 4. As simple as it may seem, sometimes you just have to do a restart, and this will free up a lot of memory, and you will be allowed into the game without any issues. It could be due to problems with the game trying to load assets, or maybe your PlayStation 4 overheating or anything similar. The next thing that this issue could be attributed to is networking errors. So, test your connection. You can do this process on your computer or any web browser, even on a mobile device, and after you determine if your internet is having issues, you will be able to tell if this issue is attributed specifically to your installation of Rainbow Six Siege or every other game, because if your ISP is delivering lower speeds than usual, it could mean that you are not allowed to matchmake because of unstable connections. Besides this, there's not much that you can do. If you notice that you've been getting this error for a while, you gave it some days and a lot of time and it still happens, the next best thing that I would recommend is to completely reinstall the game. I know for a lot of people this is going to take a while, but because it needs every single file from its installation to be acquired properly, if any of them are corrupted or missing, you will not be allowed to matchmake. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Rainbow Six Siege matchmaking error on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.